Hey Zaid, thank you again. My name is Francisco. Thank you for taking the call earlier today during the day. I know you seem pretty busy, but I appreciate you taking the time to talk to me. So in this video, what I'm going to show you is I'm going to show you three things that you can do to outbeat your competition online, and at the same time, it's going to help you increase your traffic within your website and is going to help you get more clients. So before I do that, I want to show you who I am. My name is Francisco Juarez. So a little bit about my background is I've been part of the wireless industry for over 12 years, and I actually started this company, Amplified Digital Marketing, about a year and a half ago. And the reason why I started is because I noticed that with the internet, right? I noticed that a lot of companies like yours, they create a website, but I'm here to help you generate traffic using your website because sometimes it's a big investment. So that's why I did it, be able to help businesses like yours grow and get more clients. So let's get right to it. So the first thing I want to talk to you about is content. So if we look at the content, currently right now on your website, you have 245 words. So one of the things to take account is Google. In order for you to be optimized on Google, you need at least 1,500 words of content, which it obviously helps with how they rank you on Google. So if we look at your competitors here, let's go to Sturm. They currently have 400 words of content. Okay, and the reason why I'm showing you Sturm heating, so if we look at Google, so if I were to search for HVAC Spokane, which is one of the keywords that people tend to search for in your area, they're showing up as number 2 in the Google Map Pack or the Google My Business page, and then they're also showing up as number 2 on the organic listings for the website. So obviously when folks are searching for HVAC Spokane, which just so you know, it's a buyer intent keyword, meaning that when someone searches for this, they're going to be calling you. They're going to be calling in particular these three businesses, right? Because they're showing up on the top 3, which is why they're getting a lot of clients and so forth. Same thing with these two. Okay, so that's the first thing. But if we look at this web page here, on Google. These are ads. These are folks that are paying for Google ads. So anytime anybody clicks on these, they get charged for it, which is why you see this area here along with this area. These are all Google ads, and then this is organic, right? This is just Google optimize these, and we help optimize these Google My Business accounts, which is why they're just organically on the first page of Google. Okay, so that's that. So first thing, content. So right now, obviously, you have 245 words and you got to be at 1,500. We can help you with that. The second thing I want to talk about is citations. So what are citations? So citations include your business name, your address, your telephone number, things of that nature. Okay, anything that includes anything about your business. So the reason why citations is super important is because it helps with you ranking higher on Google. The more you have, the better. So now let's compare you with your competitors. Okay, so if we look at Element Air Heating and Air Conditioning, which is yourself, you currently have 15 citations. Where we look at Sturm, they have 48, and then we got these guys also at 26. What I can tell you, and we can help you, we can outbeat these guys by over 100 easily. So that's something that we definitely want to help you with. And just organically, it's going to help with your rankings on Google. Okay, so that's the second thing I want to talk about. The third thing that I want to talk about, which is one of the most important things when it comes to just being able to rank your website, is backlinks. So this is my tool that I use. It's called Ahrefs. So this tool helps me identify where everyone is at. Anyone that has a website, it helps me identify where they're at for backlinks. So in this case, if we look at yours, you're at 25 backlinks, okay? And if we look at your competitor, Sturm Heating, we're using them as an example because look, they're ranking number 2 in the Google Map Pack, and then they're ranked number 2 for the organic listings. So if we look at Sturm Heating, they have over 1,000 backlinks. Okay, so that's a big difference. Okay, so what we would want to do if we end up working with each other is we want to be able to get you backlinks. Now, I'm not saying let's get you over 1,000. That's not what I'm saying, because some of these backlinks he's probably lost. We want to get you authoritative backlinks. Okay, and then if you're interested, we can talk a little bit more about how that works, but we can make it happen. Now, I also want to dive into the organic keywords, okay? So this is the specific keywords that they're ranking for. So one of the things I want to talk about and I want to show you is here. This keyword that we've been talking about is this guy right here, HVAC Spokane. So if we look at them, so what this number volume means is the amount of people that search for this specific keyword every single month. Okay, in this case, 900 people are searching for this. You see that? And we want specific keywords that are local. In this case, like if we look at furnace repair, 150 people look for that. Furnace repair, Spokane furnace repair, another 150 people search for that. So these are the keywords that we want to rank for, okay? Because, and look, he's position number 7, but obviously if we look at here, he's ranked number 2. So they're making some progress here month over month. Now let's look at yours. Okay, so obviously we know where your competitor's at. They're at 9. So this is the volume. They're currently ranked number 7. Okay, now let's look at where you're at. So this is yours. So if you notice right now, you're not ranking for HVAC Spokane or Spokane HVAC. So right now, you're not even being ranked at all for that specific keyword. And I'm telling you, this is what you want to rank for because it's going to get you more and more business. And it's just going to be able to outbeat your competition online. Like you're going to be showing up here versus these guys. Okay, so just to recap, 3 things, okay? So 1, content. We want to have at least 1,500 words of content. Number 2 is you want to have citations, right? You want to have more citations than these guys, which we can make happen for you. And then the third thing is what I like to call also is link juice or backlinks. We want to be able to get links that are going to be authoritative, strong, that talk about HVAC, that are going to link back to you. Those are the 3 things that's going to help rank your site and get you more clients. Now, you're probably thinking, what do I do from here, right? There's 2 things you can do. 1, you can either go with this information I provided you today and do this on your own. And I'm totally cool with that. Or number 2, which I would recommend, right? And if you want the most effective route and want to save yourself the time, then shoot me an email, right? This is going to be including your email. Shoot me an email. I'll most likely give you a call tomorrow. Let's talk. If you have any questions about what you saw today, I can answer them. But anyways, Zaid, I don't want to take too much of your time. So if you're interested, please let me know. Let's talk a little bit more. I can show you some numbers and we can go from there. So once again, thank you, Zaid, for your time, and we'll talk to you soon.